Okay, so it's a gloomy morning at Rocky Mountain Metro Airport, and we're preparing for my first ever demo flight in the Pilatus PC-24, and a big, brawny, versatile jet with an incredibly slow approach speed that can land at high and hot airports as well as off-field.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Join AOPA today. Thanks to Lightspeed for sponsoring this video. Click below to learn more about the Lightspeed Delta Zulu.
We're going to go up to high altitude, we're going to maneuver, we're going to explore the corners of the envelope a little bit, and then we're going to go to Steamboat Springs, which is a high elevation airport on a warm day with a big heavy airplane. Anything to really be looking out for on this flight?
Look out for a lot of fun. No, it's going to be a blast. It's going to be a beautiful day in Steamboat. We've got some good bad weather to deal with on the way out of here, which will show some of the capabilities of the aircraft on low visibility, low weather instrument approaches with the fully coupled system and fully coupled go around. You're going to fly that entire thing. So it's going to be all on you, and because it's a single pilot aircraft, all of the automation that is built into the airplane is going to make your job so much easier, being somebody sitting in this aircraft and dealing with this avionics for the first time.
All right, well, really look forward to seeing it.
Metro information, Mike 1455 Zulu, meet tower observation, wind 060 at 3, visibility 3, mist, ceiling 400, broken, 1000, overcast, temperature 8, dew point 8, altimeter 3014.
All right, so we got the brakes held. If you want to go ahead and arm your auto throttle. So you see ATTHR, so that looks great. We are cleared for takeoff. Hand on the yoke, throttle's up, and we're off and running. Once you got takeoff thrust, you can release your brakes.
Metro Tower, November 75 Foxtrot, on the ILS for runway 30 right, with information, Mike, full stop.
Takeoff power is set. Motors are nominal. Airspeed's alive. CAS panels clean. There's 60, your side looks good.
That landed about 10-15 minutes ago, reported base at 5,000.
There's V1 and rotate.
Here we go.
That's a positive rate.
You're up.
Here's coming up. Yaw damps on. Your feet can go flat on the floor.
And starting the right turn to 350.
Sounds good. How's it feel? Pretty good?
Oh, stable.
Yeah.
It's interesting how in the turn it requires zero input. Once it's established.
Pilatus 2, 6 miles from Alike, turn right heading 270, maintain 7,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30, right approach.
Right 270, 7,000 until established, clear the ILS 30 right, Pilatus 2.
Since my approach is armed, I can already dial in those instructions, so 030
I see it.
and 8,000.
Got
And
it.
then, so when we're ready to execute our go around, it's just going to be toga, gear, flaps, heading. That's it.
Okay.
Done and done. There's your glide slope. Speed's good.
You're coming down.
And flaps are going to full.
Go reported base.
I got the lights at 600 feet.
Thank you, Mike.
Roger, inside.
600 foot basis for Pilatus 2.
500.
Thank you.
Approaching minimums.
And when you hear minimums, hit that toga button. And then
Okay.
let the throttles do their thing.
Minimums.
Hey, toga is engaged. I feel the throttle's going forward to takeoff position.
Perfect. Flaps are going to 15. Here comes heading. Gear up, please.
You're up.
And off we go to 8,000.
562 again, right turn heading 030, climb maintain 8,000.
030 to 8,000, Pilatus 2.
All right, off to Medicine Bow and over to Steamboat. That's what we got. Looking
Nice.
good.
Yeah, the whole concept of steep turns at 450 just
Showing off.
A little foreign.
Yeah, there's no reason to do it, right? It's totally showing off.
Well,
and, you
but it just shows the margin.
Yeah.
450.
Now she's just going to accelerate out. We'll let it build just a few more knots here, and then we'll do some steep turns.
Okay.
Autopilot's off. Auto throttle's coming off.
Auto throttle.
All right, here we go. what did we lose? 1 knot?
Contact Denver Center 134.57.
Your aircraft back to a 270 heading.
All right, here we go. Okay, there's 30 degrees, looking for 45, little pull. 45.
You can bring that nose up just a little bit
there
more.
we go.
There's your heading. Good.
7 out. Almost good enough for my commercial test.
Lotus Wings 2, roger. You are cleared direct Steamboat and just going to maintain flight level 360.
Right, direct Steamboat and 360, Pilatus 2.
Man, you guys get some spectacular scenery to fly in. I envy you guys this.
Steamboat traffic, Pilatus 2. It's PC-24 just inside route for the RNAV 32. Steamboat.
Got the runway in sight.
Roger. Okay, BREF plus 5.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
You know, just on the way in here, it's like the approach speeds and stuff just seem impossibly slow for a plane this size. I was really thinking about that when we were taking off this morning, and it's like that little runway seems so narrow for such a big airplane, you know. But it's like I know that's what it's made for.
Yeah, it's nice being able to do 280 on the downwind and 95 on final.
Yeah, unbelievable.
You know, it seems a little trite to call this the Swiss Army knife of jets because it's Swiss manufactured, obviously, but the versatility of this airplane from, as you say, the dirt, grass, gravel strips, up to, you know, and flying at was it 0.72, 0.74 Mach? Mm-hmm. You know, that is a pretty unique airplane that can do all those things.
And I think we did it in comfort too. Hopefully the guys in the back were comfortable and having a good time. They were quiet, so they must have been having fun.
Well, I really appreciate the demo. It was a real thrill for me and a real privilege to get to fly with you in such a incredibly capable airplane.
You did a great job. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
My pleasure.